Hey everyone, Les here from BG Trading. Hope you're well. Today is 15th of July 2021 and I'll be analyzing Qantas, which the SX code is QAN. So this is one of travel stocks that has been very hardly hit by COVID. So we've been trading some of the travel stocks, not necessarily Qantas, but we've been requested to analyze this stock by one of our VIP members, and I would like to share our thoughts with you right now. So let's have a look. Just a reminder, this is not a financial advice, it's just us from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply our strategies, how we know when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we use our KPIs to avoid FOMO and to set up targets as well as stop losses. So therefore, making consistent trades. This is all in this channel and it's for free. So all I ask you guys to do is, if you like the way we trade, please subscribe the channel, hit the like button and share this video with someone that we believe will be adding value to. Now, I also have a Facebook group here, which is called Buy, Growth and Sell Strategy for Share Traders. There's a lot of great content, a lot of link to quality analysis as well made by us. So if you guys want to jump into the details, will be a description below. Just make sure you answer all the questions. This is very important. If you don't answer the questions, you'll be rejected. Now let's jump straight into the analysis. So here you go. This is Qantas chart. Okay. So quickly, I'm going to show you how what's happening with this stock first. So this is a COVID crash, which, by the way, if you're holding this stock before the COVID crash in February last year, and you apply our strategy, you'll be protected by literally by 70% fall from this 70% fall. Okay, and this is why strategy is so important. Okay, there's not just BG Trading, BGS 20 strategy. There's plenty of strategies out there, but if you're going to trade, you must use this strategy. If you don't use the strategy, don't trade. This is, I urge anyone not to lose money. Okay, just give money to someone else, but don't trade. It's very dangerous, and you need to be consistent. It's all about consistency and also accountability when you trade. So now, why I'm going to teach you quickly why you'd be protected. Look, you don't need to buy my book or anything. I'll give you this for free here. Look, this is what we call bearish intersection level 1. When the yellow line crosses the red line, which is the SMA. This is your biggest red flag. And that's when we need to sell, because you don't know what's going to happen. This is, if you're trading above this is your sell point, or you must have a very short stop loss right under this. Okay. And when I talk about short stop loss is, I would say about 5% sort of thing, especially on the stocks trading at all times. I'm not sure if this is all times high for Qantas, but at a really high place. Okay. So now, so using the strategy, you'll be selling at the first, will be one red flag, which is the bearish intersection level 2, and then bearish intersection level 1, which is the red circle. Hope that only this thing had already add value to you guys. Now, when we buy again is right at the same pace, but when we have the first bullish intersection level 1, or even if you want to really risk a little bit more, you can buy at the first bullish intersection level 2 here, which is this, candles crossing the yellow line, and then obviously the yellow line crossing sorry, the yellow line crossing the red line. Okay, and then now obviously we would have a trade here, like a really nice sort of trade, and then again, like you've seen another bullish intersection. That's when we buy it again. Okay, and then what we're seeing here is the stock now currently since December last year, actually since October last year, Qantas trading sideways. Okay, and then let's take a look at other travel stocks like this. Obviously, Qantas is a travel company, but it's a travel-related stock. It's a airline company, but it is a travel-related stock, and then we can see a resemblance between, for example, Flycenter, let's say Webjet here. Webjet here trading sideways, and then now Qantas as well. So now, And I'm doing analysis from Quantas because we've been requested. Now, look, what I've seen here is a channel. Okay, we have a what we call resistance, and we have a what we call support right here. Okay, normally it's a channel. There's a micro channel here and micro channel there. But what I wanted to show you is that we have multiple attempts of share price hitting 450 and bouncing back. And then once again here in May, hitting 450 and bounce back. And then we have the last attempt of hitting 450 and bounce back right here in June, just last month. Okay, and that's what probably to do with the COVID lockdown. Now let's take a look what the channel. What is the range of this trade? Let's say if we buy around the bottom of the channel, we can make 25% out of one trade, and then again if we buy around here again 20%. So we can apply BGS 20 strategy definitely. If we can apply if we buy at the bottom of this channel at the resistance 450, and that's why we would be buying Qantas as in the next few weeks. If you want to buy Qantas, I will be buying here. But most important, even now, even if someone wants to buy Qantas now and is applying BG trading strategy or BGS, if you buy now, you're applying BGS 20 strategy, you still could potentially make 15% out of this trade, provided that we would expect the share price to be bouncing back at the top here until being actually forcing multiple hitting the top multiple times. And that's when it hits the top multiple times, that's when we believe there's a breakout. This is an example here, just so you understand what I'm saying here. There was a breakout here at $5. It hit $5 and above, but closes. Let me just see where closes here. Okay, it hit $5 and above, close around the top of the micro channel, $5.02, and then went up again, but still close around $5, and then finally hit and close above $5, but then it came back. But this is what I call a multiple attempts of hitting the top and then breaking through to the top level of the channel. Then we had again a breakout, and when we have a breakout, we have another run. Exactly, pretty much normally tends to be pretty much the same run that was at the bottom of the channel. It reflects to the top. So if that makes sense. So I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. Now, I give an example now. Let's say Bubs Australia, which is not a travel stock, so you understand. Bubs Australia is a stock that's been hitting 50 cents multiple times. This is what I believe that's going to be a breakout very soon in this, and that's what I'm. This is my example of breakout. Okay, so now back to Qantas. We didn't have multiple attempts of breakout here. That's why the stock price goes down again. And there's no multiple attempts to break out here or neither here, which is good. That keeps the stock bouncing between the channel. That's what we want for trade. So now another thing related to our strategy is if you buy now, according to our strategy, you're still buying well because it is trading. It's a great quality company, Qantas. And there is a prospect of the travel sector going back to normal as people in the world gets vaccinated, and especially here in Australia. Qantas is still doing pretty well in domestic level, and then obviously to go back to international level, everyone needs to be vaccinated, and then that is on the pipeline for the next 6 to 12 months. So we're really getting there, I think, and as far as I can see. The stock is trading relatively cheap at the moment, so it's still like if you're gonna buy Qantas and hold for a while, I think this is it's because it's trading around the SMA level or under. It's a great time to buy. Now, if you want to trade using BGS 20 strategy, looking at fulfilling the whole strategy for 20%, then you really need to buy around $4.50. To make this 20% out of when it hits 550. Okay. Now, if you buy now, so we still can make 15% out of this trade using this strategy. However, we have a couple of red flags here. One is the red candlesticks. Okay, and then also we have potentially to be a bearish intersection level 1 here, as well bearish intersection level 2. So I would wait a little bit just to see how it goes. Okay, even if you're trading at the short term, but if you're trading in the long term, I'm very optimistic about Qantas as it's trading at SMA levels. And according to our strategy, you always want to buy a good stock, good quality stock when it's trading under or at the SMA level. Never when it's trading a great distance like this. This is 25%. That's when people FOMO. Okay, any like stock like Quantas, if you're buying the stock, if the distance between the share price and the SMA is greater than 10%, then you're already into the FOMO area, and then you potentially will be doomed in the short term. So then it doesn't work for traders. Okay. So this was my take on the Quantas. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, please put up the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Great. Thanks a lot. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand, and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.